Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited. We're opening up spiritual goodies for March 2022, and the theme this month is third eye chakra, and I am living for it. I haven't even opened it yet to know what's inside, but I love third eye chakra stuff. I love chakra anything. I love spiritual anything. You guys know this. Every Wednesday I open a spiritual type box, so I will link them down below. There will be a $10 off code inside. They said this was sent kindly free for review, so thank you, Spiritual Goodies. I have paid for it in the past, so I clearly like the box, and if you're into spiritual stuff, I do recommend it, but we'll see what's inside. I will link them down below along with that code. It's $39.99, and this is a box that ships worldwide, which is awesome. You just have to pay shipping, so all the information will be down below. And yeah, if you guys like spiritual boxes like this, subscription boxes in general, and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. My name is Kitty, by the way. Welcome or welcome back, you guys. I love this stuff. Did I repeat myself? Did I say my little intro twice? I don't think so, but I just filmed a video before this, so I could be confused. But yeah, that's how it is around here, if you guys know. I get really excited, especially when it's spiritual type boxes and what my interests are, but really, I have to admit, it's probably every box. So let me stop rambling and get unboxing. Isn't the box super cute, though? I just love it. Oh, here's the code right on top. Use discount code KITTY10 to get $10 off your first box. Thank you so much, Spiritual Goodies, for providing this. So cute, that card, too. It looks like a tarot card. By the way, if you guys are into tarot and spirituality and astrology, I have another channel called Kitty Outside the Box, which I will link down below. And every month we get a little affirmation card, like an oracle card, and then here is all the information and everything inside. I love that it's all purple. Color goes with the chakra. And the theme, I am wise, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. I love that we get one of these every month, so you can collect them and then pull a card. I am wise, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. And then we have a whole sheet here that talks about information on third eye chakra. I don't remember getting this in the past for other chakras, but I also at the same time can't remember if the past boxes were specific to a chakra. So the third eye chakra is the sixth chakra, and then it gives a Sanskrit name is Ana, which means perceiving and command. It's right here. And there is either indigo or purple, and Shum is the mantra associated with the third eye. The element is light, and it represents intuition, self-realization, inspiration, and imagination. And some crystals that are great for the third eye chakra are amethyst, moonstone, sodalite, fluorite, labradorite, and lepidolite. I think I have all of those, and I love it. And then it talks about signs of it being imbalanced or balanced. So I'm just going to go over this because I want to know, even though I probably know this already. So if it's balanced, you are imaginative, intuitive, and see the events in your life as symbolic and lessons to be learned. Yeah, that was a big change for me. Like, life is happening for you, not to you type attitude. You see your life with clarity, self-awareness, and emotional balance. And then if it's imbalanced, you will have a lack of trust in your own intuition. You might feel paranoid, have issues focusing, having a closed mind, and being stuck in your thought process. Sometimes headaches and dizziness can occur along with poor vision and lack of concentration. So here are some affirmations. We already said one. I am wise, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. I live in alignment with my authentic self. I am connected to the wisdom of the universe. My imagination is vast, expansive, and endless. I love this, and I love that they provide this information. I might have known a lot of it, but I know not everyone has been studying the chakras and stuff like that. So here is our information pamphlet, and it always comes with so much information, and not only just information on the items inside, it gives you a meditation and also has a spotlight for spiritual teachers, and it gives a whole ritual on the back step by step, all related to, of course, this month to the third eye chakra. So yeah, super informative. It also gives pricing. I love this. I say this every time I get a lot of information on things, but when I get new things, I want to learn everything about it. The Mercury and Gemini. So the first thing right on top is some tea. Simpson and Vale Third Eye Chakra Anya tea. So perception, intuition, and imagination. So it's made with rose hips, lychee berries, oat straw, rosemary, and lavender flowers. Get a good amount in here. And this is naturally caffeine free. I'm excited. I've gotten, like, I keep getting more and more into tea. And then, ooh, what do we have here? Is this a hanging thing? Ah, it looks so pretty. I looked up because I think I have one from them. It has all like the chakras on it, the colors of the chakras, and it like makes my room look rainbowy. Oh my god, this is so cute. Rainbowy. I have a little fountain. Well, it's not little. It's actually huge in the lake behind me, and it looks like there's a rainbow there all the time. I love it. It makes me happy. This is beautiful. Oh, so it's a tree of life with like amethyst, and there's little hearts made with love. So you can hang this on your window, and this is the little thing that makes the rainbows across the room. I love this. I'm gonna put this on my door too. I have like a few things like this, but maybe I'll put this one in my bed. No, because I do my tarot readings out here. I think this is so pretty, you guys. I love it. And here's the little thing for the window. This is beautiful. Amethyst, obviously, right? I'll just double check. Amethyst Tree of Life Hanging Prism, $12. This is so pretty. I love this, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. I love amethyst too. I didn't expect this. We have cards. Like I mentioned my other channel, but I am a tarot reader, and I want all of the decks in the world, all of them. What? Wisdom Seekers Tarot. Oh my god, I don't have it. And there's a book that comes with it. No. You guys, I'm so excited. I've been getting a lot of new oracle decks and not tarot decks recently. So the back is all orange, which I love. Here is the first card, the Fool. Oh my god, I am so excited. But what I was saying is I've been getting a lot of oracle decks, which I love, but I haven't gotten like a new actual tarot deck in a little bit. Oh my gosh. So here's like an example. Here's the Four of Wands. If you guys want to see the full deck, you know I'm going to be using this on my other channel. What's the card of the day? Today, I do a card of the day every day, and I post it on TikTok, and I share the same video on my YouTube, like for YouTube Shorts. And today the card of the day is King of Swords. So let me show you the example in this deck. Here is the King of Swords. And I like this. It has definitely its own style and different coloring, but it doesn't veer off too much from the traditional deck, from what I can see. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at the Nine of Pentacles. I love the green. It seems like each suit, like it has different colors. Oh, I love the Queen of Wands. Oh my god, you guys. I'm really digging this. The colors are so beautiful. Let's look at the High Priestess. Yes. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I did not expect to get a card. Oh my god, tarot cards. And let's see, is this a book for it? Even the book is beautiful. I'm so excited right now, you guys. So here's the book that goes along with it. So a guide. And it's made by Professor David Fontana. Cool. Oh my god, he has other books about the tarot. So yeah, here. So it'll have like a page devoted to each card, or at least the majors. And and it'll go through each of the like the nines, the fours, and it'll go through for each of the four suits. That's so awesome. I'm so pumped. You know what I'm doing right after this. I haven't done my tarot readings for the day yet, besides the one card pull. Did I tell you guys that was $19? That's not bad for a tarot deck. I'm so excited. Yes. And then it looks like we have a stone here. Cool. It's raw Labradorite. Oh my god, I have Labradorite. It's great for tarot readers and just your intuition in general. Third eye chakra, clearly, because that's the third eye chakra box. But I have a necklace. I have a bracelet. Oh, I actually don't have it on right now. But I don't have it in the raw form. This is really cool. And I love getting bigger pieces. It's not like it's huge, but it's bigger than a lot of the tumbled ones. And this is $5. And it says, the crystal helps harness the power of your third eye chakra for strengthening intuition and promoting psychic abilities. A stone of transformation, Labradorite is a helpful companion through change, imparting strength and perseverance. It balances and protects the aura, raises consciousness, and grounds spiritual energies. Labradorite, I missed my spot. It strengthens faith in yourself and trust your imagination to give you a refreshing tap into your creativity. It's iridescent with hues of green, blue, or orange, and the complexity of its coloring reflects the deep mystery of the third eye. Yes, I'm super excited. Like tarot decks, crystals are one of those things I don't think I could have too many of. Let's move on. What's in here? A pendulum! It's a sodalite pendulum. I love sodalite. I usually have a bracelet on too. I switch it up every day, but like these I keep on for protection like 24/7 besides my shower. But I love sodalite. It's good for your, of course, everything in this box is good for your third eye. But it's really good for like balancing your emotions too. Like if you have mood swings and stuff, I used to have that way worse than I do now. I don't really have it now. But it helps with that, and it helps with communication too. I am so excited. I've been wanting to work more with my pendulum. One of them I haven't really been able to connect with. I can't wait. Pendulum, if you don't know, is another form of divination. I'll include this in an upcoming video on my other channel. I love sodalite. I'm gonna have to like program it and stuff, but you ask questions and watch the way it moves, and yeah, it takes some time to like bond, but I'm super excited. This is $10, and it gives you, awesome, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use it and how to cleanse it, which is like how you do all your stones, but it says sodalite will absorb negative energy, so that's awesome. So when stones do that, when they're absorbing stuff around you, that's great, but you have to make sure to clear it of that negative energy so it doesn't like accumulate and like rub off on you. I don't even know, that's the right way to put it. But a pendulum is a tool to communicate with spirit in order to receive guidance and assistance. Pendulums can have many uses, divination, identifying energy blocks. Yeah, you can actually use this. People do this to find like hidden treasure. I know that sounds crazy. They use tarot cards too. I can't wait to get my certification. I won't get into it right now. Yeah, it can help with soothing the mind. That's like what I was talking about, like emotional imbalances and stuff. It really helps. It helped me. And provides mental clarity, stimulates intuition, clairvoyance, connection to the spiritual world. Yes, you guys, sorry about my phone going on. This is like, I think there's another item left, but this is like my favorite box I've gotten from them. And a freaking tarot deck and a pendulum and other things. Oh my god. And then last thing, what's this? Ooh! Of course, the Moonstone in the third eye chakra box. We have a Moonstone tower. I love keeping the towers like on my desk and just like throughout my place. Oh my gosh, I should do like a crystal tour once. I charge my crystals under the full moon, and I put them, they're like, I realize every time I do that, I'm like, wow, I have a lot of crystals. Do I still want more? Yes. I love learning about them and choosing specific crystals to work with. This is $20. Wow, yeah, this is a nice one. Yay! It's often called the visionary stone. Rainbow Moonstone is thought to bring balance, harmony, and hope while enhancing creativity, compassion, and confidence. It helps strengthen intuition and psychic perception, especially offering us visions of things that aren't immediately obvious. Because it helps us avoid tunnel vision, we are able to see other possibilities. It's like a flash of inspiration that comes when we are open and quiet. Rainbow Moonstone is a wonderful tool to facilitate chakra alignment and activation, as well as diffuse energy throughout the aura. And then it gives some more healing properties. And it talks about how the point, you can like direct the energies and stuff like that. But oh my god, you guys, this is so good. That was everything. And I loved it. I got a new tarot deck and crystals, and I'm so excited. You guys, I love this, clearly. Can you tell? Oh god, I forgot that window hanging. Oh my god. All of this is awesome. I think that was so well curated. So let me know your thoughts down below. I will link them and that code I'll list down below. If you want to save $10, definitely do so. I love that they ship worldwide. This just like made my day. So you guys make my day every day too. Thank you for being here and watching. And again, sorry for my phone. I'm gonna go check who's blowing me up. But yeah, thanks again. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Bye.
you.